Hey friends, welcome to another episode of Auto Afflicted. I'm your host, Ali Goulet. Today, something special, 1976 C30 square body, camper special, 3+3. We're gonna go pick it up at the buyer's house, take a look at it, tell you everything that's special about it, what our plans are for it, and we're gonna get into all that right now. So we're pulling up on a new vehicle that we're gonna flip. It's pretty exciting. We're about to show it to you here in a minute. And it looks like this guy's got a couple cars that are interesting. That Miatas, I know those are fun to drive.
All right.
I know those are fun to drive because I've driven Mavis. We're driving Mavis. Stepping out into Willa. All right, someone's here already. I recognize this guy. You might recognize this guy.
Oh, hey, how are you? Good to see you.
Yeah.
Welcome back.
Alex, of course. Alex, what do we got?
We got a C30 camper 3+3.
What? No way.
4 doors, 6 bodies.
6 bodies?
It's a lot of heads.
Yeah, this is going to be exciting. We're going to get this thing loaded up in the trailer and then we'll show you a little bit about what it is. Casual drift Cressida in the corner here with a little LS swap just kind of tucked away. This is the guy with the money. This is like a menage a trois on the C30. Wayne's got the money. Alex knows how to chop it and drop it. I apparently have a location to do all of the things.
Still cold.
Look at this over here, there's a small boy. This thing is for sale. Look at that. Cool. It's got real-time 4-wheel drive, which is one of my favorite.
You the guy selling that, or did you buy it from the guy selling that?
No, I'm selling it.
What's the twofer deal?
2 for on both of them.
Oh yeah, twofer.
Twofer.
13.
You have to keep the tent though. What's the twofer deal without the tent? 'Cause I don't know fucking tent on that thing.
12 and a half.
I keep the tent. Canadian?
American.
Australian.
I think we'll just do this one. Yeah, I've been looking at your active
Oh, well, thank
the
you.
whole time.
Dogecoin?
Huh?
Yes. There we go.
Yeah.
Bitcoin,
Dogecoin.
preferably.
Hey, you got every toy for sale.
Here you go. Good catch.
So what's the plan?
Yay.
Yeah, you're good. You're perfect. Yep.
Yep.
Go now.
Wow. That little K-van just pushed this whole pile. Almost pushed it in the street.
You're good.
You're
Go
good.
now.
Okay. Now keep going
Keep
left,
going
left. If you can get more angle would be better, but your tire is up against that, so I don't think
I
you
don't
can.
think you can turn yet.
I don't think you can turn more.
Okay.
We're leaking
Yeah.
a gang of stuff over here. I don't want to lick it.
Smell it.
Don't drink the coolant, kids. You don't want to. This ain't Jonestown.
Sip slow, homie.
All right, here we go.
Back in action.
Back in action.
Let's keep her on here.
Just like a bad chiropractor.
Oh.
You might have got a tiny crease right there.
Yeah, we'll pull it out.
Yeah. Oh yeah, look at
No
that.
problem.
Right? Off the brake.
Badass. Yes, got your back.
Back to the shop.
Back to the shop.
See you, man.
What?
Check it out. Easy.
Oh yeah, I like that.
Dually stuff.
What are we looking at anyway?
What are we looking at? It's a 1976 C30 camper special. Crew cab long bed. Trimmed out. Root beer on cream. And we'll call it orange. We're gonna bring it closer to the earth. Exhaust. Get this 6.0 LS running. And it's a bad mofo.
Check it out.
There's a bunch of stuff back here.
Free
Look,
tack.
the whole bezel, that's tight.
You popped the hood on this thing? Tell me loudly what's going on.
So what we got, what we got going on is here's your battery. It's like, no, this is a 6.0. It's an LQ4. It's probably from like, I don't have this shit memorized. It may be like a 04 Suburban or something.
Yeah, he called it a Tahoe.
Tahoe. So yeah, looks like it's got headers. It should run some wiring. And we make an intake. And
Didn't it have an intake
I don't know.
in the picture?
Maybe it did.
Yeah.
That's okay. I'll make one. We'll get some aluminum.
Oh, yeah.
I'll just
No,
take it up,
it's just-
and it'll look nice. It'd take me like an hour.
You know the funny part about that is it isn't that you can't. Of course you fucking can. I want my fucking intake.
Like you see all that like chalkiness on the back window.
Oh yeah,
Razor
clean
blade.
all that shit.
Yep.
Yeah.
Seems like it's celebration time.
Yeah.
Kind of
Right.
happy about the C30 Camper Special 3+3 or the German 3. Anyway, celebration time.
Next to the caddy, dude.
So there you go, friends. Pretty excited for this project. Definitely going to follow up with more videos on the C30 Camper Special. We'll keep you guys all in touch with what's going on with it. As ever, you know, if you like the videos, as I know you do, drop a like and a subscribe. Tell your friends and all that good stuff. And, you know, just be kind to the ones that are around you. Keep your cars registered, keep your tools nice and clean, and we'll catch you on the next one.